I'm Ray. Today on Ray's Toolbox, we're going to put together a Pit Boss Pellet Grill. We're going to take it out of the box, you'll see how it came, and we'll see what it takes to put it together. Stick around, let's take a look. We had this grill delivered to the house. It came on the pallet, so this is the way that it was delivered to us. First thing we had to do, naturally, was unpack the pallet. After the straps were taken off, the top of the box just lifted straight up. You can see how nicely everything was packaged in the box. So some pretty stiff cardboard and styrofoam to provide some stability to the package. So after that was taken off, everything was very neatly packed both on and inside of it. After I got all the different pieces out, I unpackaged everything, laid everything out on the countertop. Wanted to make sure that I had all of the pieces, but more importantly, that I knew what the pieces was. The first order of business for assembly was to set it up on its side, and the styrofoam that came packaged with it was also designed to help in this step. So the first two legs to put on was the front legs, and then before you assembled anything else, the next step was the ashtray box and support went on. Next, the bottom shelf was fastened to the two front legs, and then it held everything together while you put the back legs on the same shelf. Next, it's time to put the wheels on the bottom of the legs. Two of the wheels did not swivel, and two did swivel. They did put some locks on the swivel wheels. That comes in real handy for the incline that we have for the grill to sit on. After it was set upright, the next step is to put the handle on the lid. Naturally, that comes in handy to open the lid with. This lid seals pretty well around the edges, so that keeps the heat in quite well, I've found. This is a smoker grill, so smokestack goes on first, and then the cap screws down on the top of the smokestack, and you can adjust the opening as to how far down you screw the cap on. This grill has a shelf that fits on the front side of it. It kind of pivots up somewhat out of the way when you're not using it, but it does plop down very easily when you're grilling and need that extra little shelf. This model has a shelf on the right side that is a solid shelf. It will bolt on and stay in place. The vented grate goes in next. It has a angle to it, so the drippings will drain off to the right into a catch basin. The grate has an open feature where you can slide the plate back and forth, so you can have a direct sear type finish, or you can close it off and just have more of the built up heat, slow cooking, smoked option. Next, the wire racks go in. Your cooling rack goes in first, goes up on top. Next, your main cooking racks go in. That is just about it. We need to put the catch basin on the bottom, catch all those grease drippings, and we are ready to go. It didn't take too long to put this together, so if you're thinking about purchasing a pellet grill, it goes together pretty easy. I hope you enjoyed our video. If you have a chance and haven't done so yet, please subscribe to the channel and hit that like button, ring that bell. You'll be notified the next time we have a video. Thanks for watching. See you next time.